What's the live, what's the life, what's the live, what's the life? Back again with another video, back again with another episode of Let's Chat About It. I go by the name The Real Matt and I'm here with
Fisto lazy guy one more ngizwa ndaba lofana sha elephant ngejury yawa 1 hour ayihleka
1 hour.
Dango otherwise
Back again. It's been a hectic week, food.
obvious.
Yeah, it's been a hectic week. Then what's on your chat?
What's on my chat? I've been thinking about this. Have you noticed Ntwana ukuthi wonke ama Spanish government Ntwana despite ama political or whatever clinic district nani police station when it comes to our public service wonke ayabheda Ntwana. There was a time ngiclinic to le story. Ngai clinic lo gogo lo sengingeyini nurse ngithola umara ugogo isigogo ngithola. Reason being ngingafuna ukumrespect lo nurse lo wenza kanjani. Mina uthi angishaya iBP ngithola ngigula ngiphethwe iflu. I-attitude yakhe njalo ngabhatalwa yithi siyasipana sihafi tax but i-attitude yalo mama lo and umama engambiza ngogogo mfethu ngazala no-Oliver ngithola. So in my mind I was wondering ukuthi government ungaqasha abantu abadala kangaka mfethu abanamamuthu wabo mina istress thola banenkinga ngapha sipanele government abafuna ukuspana but you can tell ukuthi lo muntu lo udlange ngomzimba
ayikho la
why unforced manje hlala la ngiyahlala uyangithola
street
yini inkinga yakho yini ngiyagula ngibona ngilanga ukuthi ngiyagula ngikho la ukuthi ngiyathanda
yeah ukuthi ngizo-enjoya
ngizochecka la ngiyakhulula ufuna ngishaya i-BP yangithola no yangazi mina angishaya relax lunch I was like so sengiyakwata manje ngiyaspana nami ngibhadala i-tax noyangibona sengiqala uba strict ngithi bengikhipha ifoni hayi mntanami mamzo sonke facts. That's what on my chat today. Police station ayakhona manje ufuna bakucertifyela.
Bakutshela ukuthi i-system ikhashile bakutshela ukuthi i-system ikhashile ngesikhathi se-11 ekuseni.
And why always the system crash labantu bakhekheleza bajola baxoxa ngeweekend abanye bafika amabhabhala.
I think they do it on purpose.
More especially motherfucker laba say home affairs.
They do it on purpose. They do it on purpose. Sikhathele manje asifuna babe slow.
Alaba say home affairs ba west kawo jama. I remember I was 16 ngiyoshaya ID. Yo.
Walinda.
Ngafika la vaye maponya la ithuso ngwadwa. Ngeke kufika la bafika ekseni ngifika bo 6:30 yangithola. Of it takes sokuqala ayongifika la zavula lezi ntsha zivula ngo-82 ingakanani
already
but the system crashile ngo-12 yo njalo ngaza the next day same thing but zange crash system ngathi mengizongena mina bathi bavala ngo-4 wangifika early nje the time ngade ngenze 8
masozofika layinini bathi
mengizofika ukuthi mina be10 bathi sesiyavala manje sorry abangolokhu ngasobeka ku shortlist laba la queue sobeka ku shortlist akusasa not knowing ukuthi mfethu zengemali la skipotisi uyangithola abayicabanga lento le uyangithola but hayi laba la queue top 10 sefaka ku shortlist ukuthi kusasa mayizwakala ingafoli la. That's what have been on my chat. We can politics fine. They know they don't deliver, but
and also this thing of inkinga zakho uzilethe emsebenzini usafaka abantu abangangeni indawo bazobhadala bazodinga iservice.
In fact udinga iservice lese no take for instance sesibhedlela on a public hospital notho ufike lapho golelwa inxusi thotha abagayi lo service le bese umntana uyashona ezandleni zakho how would you feel? How would you feel?
Yeah, facts, yeah.
When it's come to my public services. And
it's just our thoughts. What's on my chat?
Yeah,
okay. For it to be in the same lane. I'll spoil the mood. What's on my chat? It's been this thing at 30 June.
June 16 youth.
The March and March.
Oh, March and March. Yeah. June 16.
Oh, yeah. I'm speaking of June 16. That's what I was going to address. I saw a video of a guy saying June, the month of June, was meant for us to celebrate the struggle. Last week on apartheid, abantu ababe basilwela for youth beyasilwela by that time, ne? But now uJune this year it's a different story now. And so it's blacks on blacks in and I'm not against I'm a legal foreigners that they should go babe nama paper babe nezinto grand. That's a good thing, ne? But I'm trying to understand that when it's all said and done, when wonke ama illegal foreigners sewahambile, when are we gonna touch on the matters sina sidila ngawo eMzansi by our own people? Because sinama rapists which are South African, sineyinkabi which are South Africans, sine GBV, sina ama politician wethu that are doing wrong things. When are we going to have the same energy? When the same energy that we have now for our illegal foreigners, when are we going to have that same energy when it comes to our own problems?
Fighting for the land.
Fighting for all the right things. Kunabantwana no barejiwe no ama case wabo awakavula because information ayikho or whatever, like imshikashikwenza na. So that's what I'm trying to say, which when are we going to have the same energy when it comes to our own people?
Lento le match a person who's gonna occupy this and like
that's what I was saying. Because you find people saying mina ngifuna ukusebenza lo msebenzi lo. For example, amaveji umsebenzi uyikuta. And we have to understand for those people to come here and occupy those spaces because those spaces that's what I'm saying. If you all are saying nabantu laba basithathela imisebenzi, ubani mekayenza le misebenzi bangaka? Amakula afikile ahloma
but Leo we can debate because bamakula afika is phaza ngithola.
But lezo you'd go and say ngicela isinkwa siphelile.
But
those guys they make sure somuntu omnyama yacava njalo sinini isinkwa sesinyukile uyangithola without any notice price yakhona ayikho reasonable because ubona abantu beze. So that's what I'm saying, if we're going to say those illegal foreigners they took our jobs in who was occupying those jobs when they came into this country, they noticed okay, there's a gap. Khona abantu abangafuni ukuthengisa amaveji. I'm not saying abekho abantu baseMzansi abathengisa amaveji bakhona, but they are not many. Khona abantu abangafuni ukudrive ikuta Uber Eats in. Khona abantu abangafuni ukuba ama security in. That's how those jobs were occupied. So I'm saying now, if they go, I agree, they must go and come back with the right papers. So if they go, those spaces are going to be occupied now. Or we're going to suffer as a country.
That's the ego.
That's the thing. That's the thing.
But how about illegal? I can say most of shy crime.
Yeah.
The only thing I can say I'm against with ngiyakwabone asebenzele i-radio ngiyawabona i-radio hawa engathi wona mawahambe proudly so uyangithola but enye ne
you know how it sounds to me ne yonke lento le march and march all foreigners ne to me it sounds like they are saying you can do crime as long as umuntu asemzansi you cannot do crime mangaba unamaphepha because bayengakho abantu abasemzansi abayenza icrime abongizwe ababoni baba ne same energy towards labo bantu labo like babhaya abantu esiphila nabo ekasi that are South African abaspinayo abatshontsha imoto siyabazi so to me this thing sounds like ungatshontsha ne mari iba wase South Africa ungabi yengithona that's how it sounds to me
but the politics njalo
yeah
say is politics because we are in us so we get involved sala thina emsobweni
uyangithola
I don't know as you are saying June 16 thina is a youth siyadala.
Yeah, June 16, it's not respected.
It's not respected. Sometimes we imitate our Hector Peterson, we take that as a joke. I'm a meme. Hector Peterson taking that shit as a joke.
Yeah. Mau ngahleka nyasi. Yeah.
Ayikho lento la machita bhaya badala side.
Okay, yeah. Wena naleyo 10 rand leyo ubheja
KFC nyalo umuntu
yeah ubheja
but you
true. But we touched on that saying what did we say Konja that time on one of the episodes I forgot which episode like when we said it shouldn't feel forced. It shouldn't feel like forced now. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, that's much you obviously small kelwa mnyazo kumele ngibheke. Oh, and speaking of girls, I saw a video on is it Instagram? Yeah, a girl saying she was dating a guy. That guy got her a job, and then she found her type. She didn't specify. She just said her boyfriend got her a job. Then she found her type at that same workplace. Then she broke up with the boyfriend. Then she married the type. After 2 years, the type started cheating. Then the type was telling her that, hey, it's up to you ukuthi uyahlala or uyaphuma kune marriage. Is it karma?
Yeah, of course.
Karma in address.
It doesn't have any address, but it takes time. I prefer karma if it can hit you immediately. That's how evil I am, young toy. If young pies saying no, chase I pass on young toy. That's what I prefer.
Yeah.
But it covers the tata 2 years. That takes long. At least do it by yourself, young toy. But what I can say, Mamanto Bazana, you can. Namayama Chita, Hugana, Kelly, Samantha, yeah. They say, I'm fine about Tolama type 1. Go all the way out for Ntombazana. It should be a priority. It should be a priority.
Facts.
Yeah, and most of the Apple only like us when no one is there. That's why I want to begin only like happy color. ingcoso zakho then lokho sekuyibonus.
Also, I saw a video of a guy robbing a church.
I saw that. You covered it.
Yeah,
News,
it was sad. It was sad, like a whole church, bro. Like just woke up and decided to your hobby isonto.
But
How coward or how stupid is that, bro?
But Dwana,
Oh, I know what you want to say. You want to say Abo Pastor ba
Uganda. I'm the one.
I didn't. In a normal way.
Yeah, in a normal way.
Nigelo.
Now, pastor they do the same thing, but Matala side indirect. Oh, my pastor for the majority. Oh, pastor for they build houses and I find my politician.
But also, what's this obsession ngabo pastor? I don't understand. I don't get this. Maybe someone must make me understand. Esontweni isn't your obsession should be about uNkulunkulu. Not a guy, because pastor he's there as isithunywa sakaNkulunkulu. Why now must we idolize you? Why must we worship you more than we worship uNkulunkulu? Why must be kube nama red carpet uhlala esitulweni esingaka uhambe ngemoto engaka ekubeni sokhonza uNkulunkulu now uthathe sonke ispotlight manje esontweni. All eyes on you nomfazi wakho, which is Mamfundisi. So I understand the whole concept or context of we're going to praise God. I say, come on, we're going to praise you now.
Our pastor they are cloud chasing, jam.
Then why would
that's why maybe I want to I should I don't like the idea you pastor because I know how cruel they are, young talk. So a pastor can tell your wife, listen, I know I'm a household whereby umfazi wakho angahloniphi, but upastor umfazi wakho uhloniphi upastor udlula yonke into. That's how I know about pastor ngithola. Our pastor they can turn idayiding indlu yomunye indoda ibe yi-war zone because the guy thothi umfazi wakho uhloniphi but uhloniphi upastor. Uyangithola. Worship pastor more than local toti umedem. She's more submissive to pastor than you know.
Do you think Spanish came?
But 12 most job, the majority. So I mean, I don't think Kono pastor want change. I mean, like.
Nah, I don't think so. That's what I'm saying. You are just better off musutanda zendlini. Than uthi uthanda zomunye umuntu manje. Usebenzisa igama lakaNkulunkulu, yabona umnikelo kuyanikela lapha. Umuntu okhona uhlala that's the same thing ama politicians. We are voting for umuntu ongayazi nempilo esiphilayo. Like we are voting for umuntu ohlala eSabaphu, unogesi, unamanzi,
take for instance.
Like I feel the pain lethi nesifilayo.
Lasi selokishini.
What would you expect?
Yabo, lasi selokishini ne. Sisekhasi. Take for instance wonke ama councillors ekhaya. Why does it make sense kube i-councillor yaseli high mara uhlalela high?
Yeah.
Does it make sense?
That's what I'm saying.
It doesn't make any sense because they know that if they don't deliver, umphakathi uzobahlasela.
Then come now ama elections, you'll find them bangena ngama Porsche eKasi, bangena ngama Gucci eKasi.
What they use food naseKasi
like are people that blind to see ukuthi like
but singabantu
it's all a business
njalo men's business but ngicela ningisizeni lapha menifuna nginigezele imali bo pastor wozani like
invest
invest kule podcast niwashithi nigezele imali bo money laundering na senze crime yethu kodwa side nani bo pastor
then abantu masebabona kunama mic sekunani sebazocabanga isizenzelo Athile kula episode leya episode 110 or episode 1. But yeah, that's the chat. Also, let us know what's on your chat. I think mine.
We can But you say the lazy guy elephant jury 1 hour jump from sawa.
I go by the name the Helmets. This is Let's Chat About It. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe. Zonke bonke do the most. Until the next episode, we are
don't forget.
We are out. Peace out. Hopefully, yo.
Hopefully, I think this. Ikupanya-panya zamabhetri.
Manje cisha.
Cisha.
Ho.
20 minutes.
Uba lolo ka phone.